6 nurses received the President's Award for Nurses today in recognition of their outstanding performance and contributions. It's the highest accolade in Singapore's nursing profession. They received their award from President Halimah Yacob at the Istana. In addition to a trophy and a signed certificate, each awardee received a $10,000 cash prize to further develop their personal and professional skills. Nurses and midwives from all healthcare and educational institutions are eligible for the award. They were nominated by the institution, their peers, or by the public.
Receiving this award is a recognition for all the nursing educators out there. Nurse educators are usually not on the spotlight, but we are at the back supporting all the nurses through training, give them the right skills with the right value of care so they can actually provide the optimal care for the patients.